Hey guys, I'm Kayla with PurO3, and today I want to talk to you about our full spectrum hemp facial serum. We specially crafted this serum to help tighten skin and smooth wrinkles on the face, neck, and décolletage. To use this product, first make sure your skin has been thoroughly cleansed and dried. Next, place small dots on the face, neck, and décolletage. Then simply massage the serum into your skin and it should absorb easily. We recommend applying the serum during your nightly routine. This way your skin thoroughly absorbs all the nutrients overnight without the addition of daytime sunscreen or makeup. You can find out much more about our facial serum on our website, www.puro3.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, make sure to stay updated with our latest products and sales by following our social media accounts.